I made a little batch of Hallie Stevenson's shoppers for buddies over at FINEX, so I thought I'd bring the camera with me. Here's some cool molds and stuff they have at their workshop, where this is what they use to pour into wet sand and cast iron and make their pans. And here's some stones that they use for polishing, metal stuff. And this flaxseed is used to spread the oil evenly, and once they're done, it gets fed to some local chickens. Here's a limited edition they did, and they raised 50 grand for the Red Cross. Here's some handle applicators. They're known for their wound handle. It stays cool, and brass end caps, and lots of tools. And they have a rolling rack showing off some of the early versions of things, which was really cool to look at. Some of the early wound handles, and just a little food prep area for event hosting. And yeah, super cool base. Thanks for having me over and letting me shoot some video. Here's my gorgeous wife Megan, and this is our dog Hank doing his smile trick. I just playing around with this film camera lens, so it's manual focus, but I think it looks pretty nice. So I'm standing here where the boat will be once it gets delivered. The bow will be somewhere around here, and the stern about 38 feet behind me there. And I have the tarp to put under it. I have the boat stands. All I need to order is the lumber and the greenhouse plastic and the pier blocks to build a shed over it so that it stays dry. So hopefully this is just the first of some exciting videos about the process of the refit, and hopefully it'll be entertaining. And I just wanted to show you the wood shop. Now it looks a little different than when I did the tour of the tiny house earlier. Just cleaned it up. I'm trying to get as prepared as possible for the boat project. So, clean-ish counters and ready to go work surfaces and everything. And here is the audio setup. I've sold a lot of stuff since the last little tour I did in here, and made a new desk and everything, so it's a lot more compact. Got more stuff up on the walls, and yeah, just basically sold a lot of the gear that I didn't use on the regular to finance the boat project.